gosh, I hate to admit this when I'm working on these trailer house axles, but I get a lot of people that ask too, how do I have time for all this? Well, as you can see by my light setup here, I work when it's pretty late out. And anyways, what I got going on here is I took I think it's a half tap, and running it through all these to clean them out, and then I'm going to hit all the bolts on the wire wheel, because I tried to put one on and it just didn't work very good. So yeah, the world tells you don't use trailer house tires and axles. This is what you get for flipping them the bird. Two leakers. Okay, so here's the process of getting the valve stems put in. I actually tried to just give this the old spinnerooski and see if that would seal it up, but it didn't work. Truth be told, I've only done like, I don't know, probably 2 or 3 of these before, these rims. And weird enough, normally those ones that I did prior to this were all really raunchy. These aren't, they actually don't look that bad. The rims look worse than the valve stems themselves. But anyways, the process is to take the cap off and put the tool on here. Tool. And then I went ahead and cut the valve and pulled it out. I only got one hand right now, so that's really hard to do. Installation's pretty easy. You just pull them through, you know, the opposite way. Put a little lube on them first. Get away from there, kitty. Step 1, cut. Step 2. It's as easy as that. Wonder if I could hide you in here and scare Lily. No, you won't stay in there. Alright, I just sprayed some lube on. Whoops. Got a little premature there with my screwing. Forgot to go in the hole first. Don't worry though, I used plenty of lube. And screwed. And into the hole. And there you go. New valve stem. Alright, I got all the valve stems in, but now I'm having a little bit of an issue getting these to seat. I've had to take the valve stem out of one, and the best technique I've had thus far is just to make sure I'm not hung up on the back of the valve stem and shimmy the tire a little bit, so try that. So we got like a lot of rain, and now this sucks. Dog likes it though. I did pull one of these just to look at the spindle and see what the bearings look like. Honestly, it looked pretty good, all greased up. I thought it might have been a little loose, but that's fine. Everything even slides like it should still. So, I don't know. It's definitely good to get out of the driveway. Well, lesson learned here. These are the piss you off type of leaks. I don't have any, I don't have any desire to fix it better at this point, but I probably, I don't know, maybe in later videos you'll see, but I'll just probably take them apart, put some bead sealer and some slime in there and put it back together. Just don't have any of that stuff right now. You know, I have no idea how to mount one of these rims. I tried already on the other side, and I just tightened like one down, and then the tire was all pretty wampus. So I'm gonna try to put, I think, 2 in, hang the tire, and then put a 3rd one on, and then kind of get them all set, and then tighten them. I don't know, kind of make it maybe a triangle or do the regular star. Yeah, we'll see. Get it? You like it?